How do you remember algebraic property names easily? Imagine trying to remember a list of new friends' names at a party. You might use stories or pictures to help you recall. The same idea works for algebraic property names. When you understand what each property does, it becomes much easier to remember their names. Think of the commutative property as swapping seats with a friend. It means you can change the order of numbers in addition or multiplication without changing the answer. The associative property is like grouping friends differently in a game. You can change how you group numbers when adding or multiplying, and the result stays the same. The distributive property is like sharing candies equally among friends. It means multiplying a number outside parentheses by each number inside. The identity property is similar to looking in a mirror. Adding 0 or multiplying by 1 keeps the number unchanged. The zero property of multiplication is like multiplying anything by 0 and getting 0. No surprises there. To remember these, use simple stories or images that connect to real life. For example, picture friends swapping seats for the commutative property or sharing candies for the distributive property. Creating short phrases or mnemonics can also help. For instance, "Can all dogs involve zebras?" can reminded you of the property's initials. Repeating these ideas with examples helps solidify your memory. Practice swapping numbers or grouping them in problems to see these properties in action. Grouping properties by whether they apply to addition, multiplication, or both can make it easier to recall which is which. Visual charts listing each property with definitions and examples serve as quick memory aids. By linking each property to a simple idea, using stories, mnemonics, and practicing often, you can remember their names without fuss. This makes learning algebra feel less like a chore and more like solving fun puzzles. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and soon these property names will become second nature.